Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get core blocks in Adopt Me. First, navigate to your inventory and enter Build mode. From there, you'll access the shop where core blocks are readily available for purchase. These versatile blocks are crucial for constructing homes and other structures within the game. We'll cover both purchasing and earning methods to expand your building options. To purchase core blocks, open your inventory and select the Build mode option. Within the Build mode interface, locate the shop icon. Here, you'll find a wide selection of core blocks, available in different colors and materials like wood, stone, and brick. Simply choose the blocks you need and use your in-game bucks to complete the transaction. It's a straightforward way to quickly expand your building supplies. Beyond purchasing, you can also earn core blocks indirectly by accumulating bucks. Complete daily tasks, fulfill pet needs, and participate in various in-game quests to earn currency. Special events often offer unique core blocks or large sums of bucks as rewards, so keep an eye out for those. Trading with other players is another excellent way to get specific blocks you might be looking for. With your collection of core blocks, the possibilities for building are truly endless. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and colors to create unique homes, obstacle courses, or anything else you can imagine. Don't be afraid to mix and match materials to add depth and character to your designs. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to building. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.